think I'm going to go with step one of trying to cut the edge with the razor blade first.
Oh, shit.
Look out.
Tuck things away.
See, this is why.
I don't have a razor blade, unfortunately.
I got a whole bunch right here. They're just stuck together. I just got to beat it out. It'll be good. Tried to cut my hand off in the process.
Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We're just doing a rear tire change. There's the new one. And this one got a little wrecked. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, she's a little broken right there. Well, that's all right. We'll get some backlight going. There we go. Nice. What up, Peanut? Peanut, welcome in, bud. We're just doing a rear tire change. I'm going to set you guys down for a minute because I'm going to help out here for a second. Let's see. We got to bring this down just a wee bit. Let's bring you guys back a little bit. There we go. That's not bad. That's all right. Yeah, you guys can see that. Yeah, so we're repairing the TIF GALOP, the Johnny 5. This is the original Johnny. She went down. A lot of you guys saw that, so.
Do you mind rolling it, the whole thing over just towards you, just a bit? Perfect.
Like that?
You know, give her a hold.
Let's see how good your silicone job is.
I don't know how much even this white is going to help, but it'll at least start the seam.
I'm just glad that we've done this before. You know what I'm saying? Like, we know what to expect when it opens. It doesn't look like an alien. You know what I'm saying?
Surprises, yeah.
You know what I really want to do, bro? Is I want to get some GPS little discs.
Like speed stuff?
No.
Like speed tracking?
Just for,
oh,
for
yeah,
theft,
yeah.
And we'll just put it in the fucking thing.
Well, you probably shouldn't tell TikTok.
Well, I'm not telling anybody that. I'm just saying, I'm not even going to do it. I'm just saying, you know what I mean?
No, I support that. I put one in my trailer. The one I just took the top of and left there.
Like, you know where it's at.
Yeah. And that's one of my biggest assets right now. So.
We're definitely going to probably have to re-silicone the back.
Yeah, re-silicone the whole thing.
Well, no, I mean the wires, because that we're gonna have to pop. Yeah. We got to cut this fucker off.
No, I should.
I mean, I got it zip tied.
Oh, the zip tie, yeah. But I mean, it should weasel its way out. It should.
Let me move these out of the way.
Alright. Now we'll just
with the final one in the scraper, I think
holds them. Hammer.
You want to start from that side?
I think so.
I'll hold it down until you get it in there.
Yeah, brace it like right here. I'm gonna
be good.
Donking that way.
Here, you want to hammer this in there?
I'm hoping this will get it
wedged out
to split.
Oh yeah, right.
Try to go right in the corner. Perfect.
Oh, nice. I can see it.
Perfect.
I can see it.
I do need to have a skinnier one. Maybe
those are the only ones I have.
Nah,
I got this.
This will work. I was hoping to use this as the secondary.
That thing's nasty, bitch.
I know. No, I love these. I'm saying these are one of the versatile tools.
You could probably even smash that around if you want.
Right. I'm trying not to warp it though. Let's just let it chill. Put another one next to it. Do the. Move it around, Johnny.
Nice one. Here, get one more in there. I just want to show them what we're doing.
Okay.
That way they can see. Get it stuck in there. I'm just gonna let you guys see what we're doing real quick. So basically, we got to take off the lid because all the electricals are inside here, the battery, all that stuff. So we need to get under here. There's a silicone barrier that we've created, but that was there before.
Yeah.
It was there before. It's to keep it watertight. So we need to get this silicone layer and this top part off. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, so just kind of bear with us, but we'll get her going here.
No, this is working really good, actually.
Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the shares. You guys are freaking awesome.
It doesn't seem as stuck as it was last time.
Well, we could be using different stuff here.
Watch your fingers.
Yep. Remember, you got wires in there.
I know.
We have that other screwdriver too.
It's just really thin right now. I couldn't even get the other scraper in there.
Maybe if we started on, I don't know.
Yeah, no, that is a good idea.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
That might help
hit
you
it on the other side.
Do both sides at once, kind of deal.
You want to leave that in there?
Nah. And then let me see it. This is a good way to start. I think this is how we did it last.
Well, we started from the front, but
Did we?
that's the only difference.
Nice Super Pro hammer. Watch your, take fingers.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to. It's a hospital.
There you go.
There.
There it went.
There we go. It's
Almost.
okay. No, that one, it pushes it back out. It's just,
There we go. I can actually feel it move.
right. I love these paint scrapers.
That's an ancient one, bro.
They're all so good.
That one's like 20 years old.
It's awesome.
I got that from one of my old bosses, Al. He's like, I had this thing for 30 years. Oh, there it is.
Right.
I felt it.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a bunch of old tools. Oh, it's making,
Oh, there it goes.
The good noises.
There it goes.
Trying to pull too much.
Yeah,
in one
yeah.
spot.
I'm just
I
I'm
don't
just
wanna
giving
warp
you
it.
help.
Yeah, I just don't want to warp it.
I'm just giving you help. That's all.
Oh, take that flashlight
What was our trail?
for the win. Great. Cool.
Nice.
Cool. That was a good idea starting over there.
There it comes. I got the board if you want to.
Cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna bend it.
Oh, there it went. In the front, yeah. It's definitely loose on the other
Yeah,
side.
I think it's just. Are we?
Okay, I think we're just hung up over
Oh,
there.
there's these. Oh, remember we gotta fix that slipped out screw too.
Well, there's no screws in
I
there.
think
That's
there
just
are. I think there are.
no. That's silicone. We
On
silicone
both of
it.
them?
Yes.
Both of them? Okay.
You could just.
I'm glad you remember that
Yeah. No, it's definitely
because I
silicone.
literally just remembered.
We're stuck on the back hook.
I'm gonna warp the middle up.
There it is. Boom. All right. Let's show these guys what we got now.
It's stuck to the wire.
That's all right. All right, so we got her open. We got the top open. So far, so good. We got to get into.
I'd say it sealed up pretty good last time.
Oh yeah, no. Let's take a look at it.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, this is our silicone job from the last time. That's not bad. I thought we did a good job.
It's not bad.
Couple spots maybe right there in the front.
I think it may be the bigger spot stuck to here too. You know what I mean? Like some of it.
Right.
You can kind of tell, but.
And we'll have to clean all this up for sure. But we got to get.
This
So we
one,
got to
I believe.
trace. Let's see. Where's it going? It's got to be that one.
That one, but we'll work it up from this way.
Yeah.
Snip, snips.
All right. You want to take a quick break or are you good?
I'm good.
You're good? All right. We'll keep going then. Doctor says we're good.
Should be, it's looking like it could be a fairly quick job, actually.
All right, we're going to put you guys back down.
Zip tie bits across your living room.
That's fine.
It's not fine. You'll find them with your foot in the middle of the night.
It's better. Hey, you see these right here? Hey. Find those.
Oh, yeah.
Right? So we're good. We're good. We're good. The old detonator.
Yeah,
I say
they'll light you up for sure.
Now I say we take the rear wheel off.
Let's try.
Or do you want to trace it? You want to trace
Yeah,
it?
because it'll be hanging. We don't want to hang.
Here, give me
on
that.
wire. It's this one for sure. Zip.
Looks like it's.
Let's try not to manhandle these wires as much as we did last time. What's the new one look like? How deep are we going?
Here, I'm going to show them the new stuff that we're doing right here. All right, so this is the new tire.
Gonna pin out a connector. That's fun. Thanks, guys.
Damn, I need my glasses, bro. I'm like, what are you looking at?
A bunch of pins.
Oh, so we got to do what? We got to pin out a connector.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. We'll just match it up to this one.
Well, I think it came with the connector, didn't it?
It does. But we just got to figure out which one's which. But here's what it's gonna look like. So we'll just make it look like that. Yeah, that's annoying. So these go down into this little box right here. So we got to figure out how to get them out of that box. It's the charging connectors.
They're in the box?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
See going in right there. Mm-hmm. We should probably try to pull the speed controller out if we can easily.
So you think it's going in the box, huh?
Sure. It's going in this little yellow or whatever color. Yeah, this little box right here.
Oh, it's going into that? The yellow box?
Yeah.
Not this?
No, but I think that's in our way.
Well,
because we got to get screwdrivers in there.
Yeah. All right. So how do we get that fucker out?
That's a good question. There's not screws on the bottom, are there?
I don't think so. Here, let me pull it over.
No, ain't nothing there. It's probably just double-sided tape or something of that nature.
It's got to be.
Yeah, because it's right in the way.
Is it this box?
Let's see if it moves. It's a box just like that.
It's not the box, though.
No.
Are you sure?
No. Yeah.
Positive?
Yeah, because it's these wires right here. They're going right in there.
Yeah, they are going. All three of them.
Mm-hmm. All three fields of that electric motor. Oh, you got 2 speed controllers. Yeah, they're loose. Okay.
So you probably just pop that box off then.
Look at you being brilliant.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You just pop that box off.
You're 100%
and then
right. And hopefully we can get to it after that. You know what? Let me see light real fast. Is there an easy battery disconnect? Because we're messing with voltage now. I don't want to die. Not this going to kill us, but probably. I see there's big XT60s right there. These are more than likely the connectors for the batteries.
Thanks for the follows. Thanks for the shares. Just disconnect them, can you?
Yeah, but it shouldn't matter if we mess them up side to side, but I'd rather
just
not.
label it.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put this white sticky.
You want a
on
marker?
This one.
Here, let me give you a marker.
Nah, yeah, you can.
And then you just mark the one
I was
with.
just gonna white sticky both these ones.
Okay, that's fine.
But you could use them.
No, that's fine.
Okay. Now we probably won't die because there's a battery.
Well, that's a good thing.
Right.
I mean, staying alive is good.
Okay.
We like staying alive.
I don't really know enough about this to say for sure we should do that, but we should probably do that.
I think we should do that.
I think so too.
I think we should definitely do that. All right, I got to put you guys back down because I need to help him out. So we need to get back over here.
Oh yeah.
It should come right out.
It is. I just hope there's enough travel in the wires to get it up enough. We don't need that much.
We just need to get the screw holes. Oh, careful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm trying to weasel it like that. Okay, so we do have to get to that whole box. Oh, that's...
Yeah, there you go. Now you're good. Yep.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's
Dude,
fucking
really?
go. Let's fucking go, bro.
Our powers combined. I was gonna say that looks 3D printed, but it doesn't. It's not.
It probably is.
It's not.
At some point
it
it
looked
was.
like it at first. Yeah.
At some point it was.
At some point it was. You have your omelet, which is good.
Here, I'm gonna give another shot at what we got going on here. All right, so we got the what would you call this?
It's the connector for the battery.
I'm not sure what it's actually called.
Motor.
It's the connector for the motor that goes into the speed controller. We got that up out of the housing.
Instead of pulling out the speed
speed controllers, which is huge because we did not want to fucking remove those.
Sure didn't.
So we got this bitch out, and now we need to rewire and reharness the other connector. So that's
annoying, but
that's what we're gonna do right now. So bear with us. Thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the likes. You guys are freaking awesome. Any kind of insight, or if you guys have any advice, if you've done this, feel free.
Because I have not done it.
Feel free to help us out. You know what I mean? Oh, what's going on here? There we go. Sorry, guys. Hold on. You guys are bouncing all over the place. They're on like a fucking roller coaster right now. Thanks for the follows, though. I do appreciate you.
I'll take a picture of these in case it totally comes apart.
I kind of want to have a smoke real quick.
We could do that.
Because we kind of got past the part I was worried about was finding out where everything goes.
Oh, I was just worried about getting the top off. Everything else is pretty...
Dude, I wasn't worried about the top.
Self-explanatory.
See, that's weird how, like, different...
Yeah, I know.
You see what I'm saying? Like...
Yeah.
I knew once we got it open, it'd be fine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I was not worried about that at all. Alright, so we're going to take a quick break. I'm going to leave the stream going, so just kind of hang out, guys. We will be right back. Give us 5 minutes. We're going to have a quick smoke. We'll be right back, okay?
Does everybody know you got the stream?
What's that?
Everybody know you got the
Oh, yeah. That's why I have it facing this way.
Right.
That way they can still access the kitchen. Alright, be right back, guys.
Take this opportunity to make a bit of a mess out there. With scraping.
Well, I have a broom, so we can scrape inside food. So
Okay.
I'm not even worried about that. That's all. So, all right, we are back, guys. Thanks for the break. Do appreciate you.
Yeah, it's set on the battery. 60 volts, yeah. Nominal
But-
voltage is 60 volts, so it goes way above that. It probably goes to like, it's 16S, so whatever 16.
But see, look here though.
4.2 is.
All right, so like on this right here, but it goes to 60. But it goes to 60.
Right.
Default's 48, but on the thing it goes up to 60.
Parameter.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you can.
I mean, maybe you could turn it down like for economy, you know what I mean?
Well, I have it
Like,
on 48.
Make it as high as it'll go if you want. If you want the juice. If you want to stay battery, then turn it down.
Don't wheeze the juice, bro.
Dude.
All right.
I'm gonna
So,
wheeze the juice. So we gotta take those.
do you want to make the connector first?
I was gonna do it like once we get this out. Ooh, you don't happen to have a hot glue gun, do you?
I don't.
That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. And me without my hot glue gun. I don't know if we need it. I think that's like a don't rattle out hot glue action. These are gonna be 8s. Do you have little sockets by chance?
I do.
Probably 8mm.
Be right back, guys.
I'm gonna take this real fast. Yes, hello? Ooh, don't want to step on that connector.
Hey, you got your solder gun, right?
I do have a solder gun.
Why don't we just cut it and splice it?
I think it would be better to pin it and then figure it out from there.
Okay.
You can pin it. It's just like an anti-rattle. I'm sure they click in. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
It's just like a don't back out kind of thing. And we may be able to release the juice out of that a little
Well, and we'll just tape it up.
bit. Yeah, we could do that.
You know what I'm saying? If they snap in,
They will certainly snap
if
it.
they snap in, we'll just tape it, bro.
Like they will certainly.
It's not a big deal. We'll just tape it.
But if we could wheeze some of this juice and melt it on there, that would be cool too.
Oh.
Because that's coming out of there all right. I'm kind of a ninja with hot glue. I don't know if I told you.
Well, you are the mad scientist.
Hot glue is like 3D printer's best friend. Don't tell anyone.
You add that to the mix,
All the time. All the time.
and then just cut it, huh?
Nah, we'll just
Oh.
get the glue out.
Oh, I see what you're doing, bro.
And then just kind of heat it up and maybe
Well,
close it in there.
These need to come out of the wires. All these wires need to come all the way out.
No, this one can chill
No.
unless it doesn't fit through something.
No,
It'll
look,
fit.
this wire needs to go.
Oh, I know, but we might use it for something though. You know what I mean?
Right,
So I don't want to fuck it up.
but how are you gonna save this?
I'll just pull it out. I'll snip it, pull it out. Don't you worry. That was the hard part. So let's get this first.
Okay,
Did you have little sockets? 8
yeah, up there.
Oh, thank you. It's like if it was a snake, it would have bit me. Of course not. Of course.
Is it not the right size?
No, it is the right size. I'm just looking for a quarter drive ratchet or an adapter.
Hold on. I got
Socket adapter.
one. I got a socket adapter.
You got the quarter drive or the adapter there? Because I don't. That.
you go.
Got one? Oh, you're awesome. I was going to use that.
Right?
Oh, them are too big.
Oh,
I need
fine.
a small one. Is that a small one? No, it's okay. We can use this.
All right.
Not ideal, but as long as it doesn't rip it apart. It should be fine. Oh yeah. Do these, I guess we can't do these one at a time. Okay, the colors do match, making it easy. So the wires are the same color on the other side.
Well, they should match.
Like green to green, yellow to yellow, blue to blue. Mm-hmm.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. I should put that wire back on there, but I forgot. Let's put that one back on there. So do you remember the RC car motors we used to mess with that had 2 wires? And
Yeah.
brushes? So this is exactly, these are like the brushless motors that RC uses now.
It's
There's
the
3
same
wires.
concept.
There's 3 wires now instead of 2. So it's a bit different. Oh, brushless motors for the lane though. We might have to take that connector off there. You know, you're always right.
Well, I've looked at it like 1,000 times.
I figured that would weasel out. That would make sense.
Oh yeah,
That
you'll
would
make it.
Sense.
You'll make it.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, you can weasel.
Give me a screwdriver.
Yo.
There you go.
Cool. We'll probably feed the new one through.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Wire removal successful. Yeah, we'll get the new one up there so we don't have to clown.
Do the wire first and then.
So we don't smash it up through.
Right, right.
Cool. Let's pull that wheel off there.
All right.
All right.
We need some big stuff.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the share, Paul. Thanks for the share. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the follows.
That there is a 21 millimeter. Boy.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
You're getting blasted.
I just thought it was. You want to, yes.
What do you want me to do? Just hold it up?
Yeah, that should work. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for the roses. Thanks for the roses. Boom.
You got to sneak up on it.
With the big boys. I'm glad it came with new hardware because this has been through the ringer.
It has too. He's off a bit more. Those inner washers, just washers.
Yeah, they're just washers.
Whips, right off.
All right, look at that. All right, so now we got to take the disc off.
Mm-hmm. Good thing I brought that impact. I bet that's fun. Mm-hmm.
Thanks for the roses. Thanks for the roses. We're just doing a rear tire change on the TIF Gallop.
You got the cardboard. I don't want to scratch the floor with that.
Carpet right there.
You can do that. It's over there. Yeah.
All right.
That axle is going to destroy a spot in the floor.
You got something to put those in?
Where's
that?
I'll hold them for right now until it moves. Okay, is there any sort of centering or locational?
I don't think so.
I don't think
it's like
so
a star
either.
pattern.
I think it's just all the same.
Yeah, it's like lug nuts.
Mm-hmm.
So we're taking those out. We got to get this brake plate off. Brake disc plate.
Using impacts with Allens, you got to really make sure you get those in there. You don't want to strip those out.
There she is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got a... It's keyed too.
Well, she's chunked too. That doesn't help.
Oh, yeah.
Nice, nice.
Okay, so this is out, if it matters. Out is up. Set it right there.
Out is up.
Out
All right,
is up.
out is up. Remember that, guys. Out is up. If we forget, all right? Out is up.
I might forget. All right, I think that's it for that. Goes the screw up.
All right.
Okay, that is up.
Sorry guys if I'm sideways here.
Been a long day.
It has.
My apologies.
Oh, dude. Don't even.
I've been in the car since like
Don't even,
10
dude.
o'clock this morning.
This fucking guy. This fucking guy.
Threads are a little rough in there. That one's nice. Wonder. I don't see any Loctite on these, so we're not gonna put any on there.
Yeah, I don't think it's.
Just like touch these up before you go every time, at least for a couple of times. You know, make sure all our stuff stays tight before we go out.
Right.
Make sure nothing's rattling loose.
Well, we're gonna take her for a test drive tonight.
Oh, I didn't bring my board. We got two.
Yeah, we got two, bro. And I got a helmet if you don't.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't bring anything.
I got a helmet. Don't
I
worry.
can't believe that totally slipped my mind. I should have.
You gotta test ride it. Come on, man.
Of course. It's not quite right. Oh, it is. Threads are just a little chunky.
Well, that's a good thing.
Okay. Make sure these are all going in pretty good by hand first before we dug them home. Yeah, that sucks, but it's fine. All right, I'm happy with that.
All right. Well, since I'm not gonna be able to win that contest, I'm just going to we're gonna take a quick break. We're gonna pause the live and we're gonna get this screwed in, get everything lined up, and then we're gonna come back from that. Okay. All right. We'll be right back.